Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everyone. I am so excited to share with you today 5 crescent roll appetizer recipes. You're gonna love these. I love sharing my appetizer recipes with you. You guys have really been enjoying them this holiday season, so it's been so much fun. So these 5 crescent roll appetizers are delicious and they're super easy also, which I love easy recipes. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Also put a little thumbs up on this video if you enjoy it. Let me get into showing you these 5 crescent roll appetizers.
This is going to be a jalapeno popper crescent roll pinwheel. So I have some whipped cream cheese. I have a can of diced jalapenos, and I did drain it a little bit to get the juice out. I have these bacon crumbles. You can cook your own bacon, but these crumbles are really convenient. I'm using 1/4 cup of bacon crumbles. And I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of that. I'm going to mix this all up. You can use whipped cream cheese or you can use regular cream cheese at room temperature so it's a little bit soft. So now this is all mixed together. I have my crescent roll dough sheet, and you can use regular crescent rolls and just pinch the seams together to make it a nice full sheet. But these sheets come in really handy. They're very convenient. So you just roll it out. It's a nice rectangle of the crescent roll dough. So I'm going to add this really yummy jalapeno popper mixture into the center. I'm just going to spread it nice and flat over the whole crescent roll dough piece. And now I'm going to roll it up, and I'm going to make some little pinwheels out of these. So I'm going to roll it all the way. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees, and once these are all sliced into some small pieces, I'll put them on my baking sheet, and then I will cook them in the oven for about 11 minutes, 11 to 13 minutes. And they are amazing. This is a really, really great finger food appetizer. I love crescent roll dough. There's so many different things you can do with it. I just love sharing my crescent roll appetizer recipes with you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I have lots of appetizer recipes to share with you. So now this is all sliced up. I'm going to add these little pieces onto my baking mat lined cookie sheet. And like I said, I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees, and I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 11 minutes. They're amazing. So I have some crescent roll dough, and this time I have just regular crescent roll dough that is in its little triangles. So I'm going to pinch these seams together to make it a nice flat rectangle sheet. And then once I have it all pinched together, I'm going to cut the dough with my pizza cutter, and I'm going to make some small squares. I'm going to add these squares to my mini muffin tin, and these are going to make a really great little crescent roll cup that you can add a lot of different things into these cups. They are definitely customizable. And for this one, I'm going to be adding some cream cheese, some jelly, and I'm going to top with pistachios. Super good combination. I absolutely love this one. So I have my cream cheese. I'm just going to do a small spoonful of cream cheese onto the center of each one of these crescent roll doughs. And then I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And once these are all assembled, I will bake these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So cream cheese, really easy. Now I'm going to put a little spoonful. I'm using a red raspberry preserve. You can use your favorite kind of jelly. A strawberry jam is great with this, but I love this red raspberry one. It is really, really good. So I'm going to bake these in the oven, and then when they're all done, I will top with some little crushed up pistachio pieces. So here they are all done. Here's my pistachio pieces. I'm just going to add a few onto each one. This is such a good combination. Really simple, just a few ingredients and a huge, huge hit. These are so good. So I'm going to do a little taco cup with my crescent roll dough. And this one is a huge crowd pleaser. Every time I take this somewhere, everyone's always asking me for the recipe. I'll put the recipe in the description box so you can have it, but it's very simple. So I have my crescent roll dough, and you can use regular crescent roll dough, or you can get it in the sheet form on any of these. So I'm just going to pinch my seams together on this one to make it nice and flat. I'm going to cut the crescent roll dough with my pizza cutter because it makes it really easy. It doesn't stick to the pizza cutter. You can use a knife, but sometimes this dough gets a little sticky and it might stick to the knife. So I'm going to add my crescent roll dough into my mini muffin tin, and this is just going to make really, really great little cups that you can put lots of different things in. But this taco mixture, it's really, really good. So I have some cream cheese. I have some leftover taco meat, and my cream cheese is a little bit at room temperature. So I'm going to mix this up, make it nice and creamy. And so I have my taco meat, my cream cheese. I'm putting it into my little crescent roll cups. And then once these are all filled, I will top with a little bit of shredded cheese. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees, and these are really quick appetizers, so they only take about 10 minutes to cook, just a few minutes to assemble. So I love quick and easy, and these are just so, so tasty. A really great like grab and go finger food, a really great appetizer for any of your holiday parties. These are great for football parties as well, so you will love these. They will be on repeat at your house, I promise, because they are seriously so, so good. Once you're done, you can top with some avocado if you'd like. Delicious. So I'm going to be doing a really easy crescent roll dough cup, and these are so easy and so, so good. So I have my crescent roll dough, and once it's all ready to go, after I flatten it out, pinch the seams, and cut it into my little squares, I'm going to be adding in some jalapeno artichoke dip, and you can make your own artichoke dip or spinach dip, but I love this one. I get it at Walmart. It's really, really good, and then it's super easy. So I'm pinching my seams together, and it will be ready to go to cut into the small squares. So this is just a perfect time of year for appetizers. There's so much gathering around the holiday season, and there's no better way to spend fun holiday nights than with some really, really good food, some good appetizers, and some great company with your friends and family. So these appetizers are really great for entertaining. They're really great for taking to any kind of function you are going to that has appetizers or food involved. So I am going to add these squares to my mini muffin tin, and then it'll be ready to go to add in with the spinach artichoke dip. So really, really easy. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and it will be ready to pop these in. And then once they're ready, or once they're in the oven, they only take about 10 minutes to cook. So very quick, very easy, and really, really yummy. I love anything that's quick and easy. So these are a huge, huge hit. So here is the jalapeno artichoke dip, and I get it from the deli section at my Walmart. A lot of grocery stores have pre-made dips, and I really like this one. I actually use it on a lot of different things. A couple different appetizers I use it on, but I use it in meals as well. So it's very versatile. If you haven't tried it, you might want to stop by your Walmart and check it out one of these days, but it's very, very yummy and very convenient as well. So after I have it into the center of all of my crescent roll little cups, I'll be ready to go. So these appetizers travel really well also. So you can put this on a nice little platter and take these to your function, and they really travel nicely. So you don't have to worry about anything really spilling or getting all messed up because they're very contained. So I absolutely love that. Look how good they look, and they're so, so delicious. So I'm going to be doing a pigs in a blanket. I have little smokies and crescent roll dough. These are an absolute staple at our house. Everybody loves them. So it is not a family function for us if somebody is not bringing little smokies wrapped in crescent roll dough. So we call these pigs in a blanket. I think there's some other terms for them, but in our house, we call them pigs in a blanket. So I'm going to cut my crescent roll dough into little strips, and then I will wrap each little smoky in the crescent roll dough. So these are really super easy, and I like to make these, you can make them ahead of time a little bit, so you can make them a few hours before you're going to have people over or before you're going to go somewhere. And then I just put them in the refrigerator, and then you can bake them right before you're going to serve them or right before you're going to take them to a function. and so that they're nice and warm and fresh. But so you can make these and then, like I said, put them in the refrigerator for a bit until you're ready to cook them. So I love anything that you can assemble ahead of time. It makes it way more convenient. You can get your kitchen cleaned up before you have guests over. So these are so good. Bake these in the oven for about 12 minutes and they're delicious. Serve them with some ketchup, some mustard, whatever your favorite hot dog ingredients are, and they are a huge hit. I hope that you enjoyed these crescent roll appetizers. They're all so good, super easy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I hope you're having a really, really great holiday season, and I appreciate each and every one of you coming to check out my videos and getting some appetizer inspiration. Make sure you check out my other videos as well when you have a chance, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.